Welcome to another mega exciting fight. Was it pairing yourself Smith Morrow? Maybe C4 or 95. Go with 95. Although this does seem to be a weakened structure with not too much compensation. Okay. Try and hold the sensor. Can I get into that C5 square? Can I kick this? Or is it disaster? F3, knight C3, knight D4 after Queen D2? Maybe. Hang on. I think he had Queen D4 there. I'm not sure that was right, actually. What I've just done, anyway. Moving swiftly along. Oh crikey. It's also got B4 undermining here. Just try and stabilise this centre before it collapses. My bishop's also a loose piece. Try and sort out the A pawn. This is not ideal, I gotta say. How do they get so passive? Queen E4, Rook B1, Knight C4, Rook B4. Queen B2. My sensor's going to be taking a hit. Can I double? Rook A5 C4 and keeps the blockade. Can I treble? He's got B4 here, almost. I have B4, yeah. Does have B4. Oh, actually, I think got Rook C3, just winning a pawn now. Great. Oh no. Knight takes queen a7, maybe. Knight c6. Doubt it. So the pawn bites the dust. Ah. He's got knight f3. If I got my king out of them, I might actually be threatening something. But I do wonder about knight f3. What if I just taken and taken on b3? Wouldn't that have been an idea? Rook c2, bishop d4.
Check.
It's pretty stuffed position. Yeah. Pretty much queening. Oh man. That was a vicious game, I don't know. Crikey. He's been up to 2268. Oh man, I felt really under pressure. Yeah, the structure was just extremely wobbly. Just bad structure. I'll try and keep active with queen e4 maybe. I don't know, it doesn't look great. It's just miserable, isn't it? It's just miserable. Okay, alright. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.